Hi everybody, just wanted to show you the layout as it's blown up for my daughter-in-law's painting. And I'll walk over here and you can see this is the end, the western end of Union Station, so it's kind of really disrupted. And oh my God, that's a UFO up there. But anyway, this is kind of some of the work that she's been doing, and she'll continue it next weekend. So I'm going to be pretty much out of action until she gets it, at least this side, done. And down there in the far corner, I've got to walk and shake. There's going to be a real thunderstorm back in this corner, since this is sort of the plains of Kansas, and then this is Oklahoma here in the middle of the peninsula. And I have one of those BLI thunderstorm systems that'll go under the table down here someplace. But this is kind of the beginning of the thunderstorm back in there, and there is a tornado in the corner. And then I'm going to let her continue to go around the side and all the way over to the helix. And we will wait until I'm ready to finish Union Station, because I got to move an awful lot of stuff. But anyway, that's where we are right now. I think she's doing another great job. Oh, there's another UFO. How did they get in the layout? But anyway, talk to you later. Bye.